Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a technique where we can use email marketing to promote CPA offers. CPA offers like these offers, okay? So, as you know about CPA Grip, CPA Grip is a affiliate network. It's a basically CPA affiliate network where you can find a bunch of bunch of offers that you can promote to people, and you can if they sign up for that particular offer, you will earn 2.22 dollar, okay, $2.22 for each email opt-in. So we're gonna promote these offers like get $100 to spend on Google Pay. Like there are a bunch of emails like offers about Walmart, offers about this get a $5,000 Walmart shopping spree and spend on Walmart. So Google Play gift card $100. So all these offers, we can promote these offers through email marketing to the customer who actually need it. So we're not gonna spam anything to people, or we're not gonna do anything unethical. So we are going to collect emails from Facebook. So I have collected bunch of emails here. As you can see, I have collected couple of emails, and I have almost 1,000 emails, and so I'm gonna tell you right now how you can collect these emails from Facebook. So you have to, in order to promote these offers, these gift card offers, you have to go to Facebook and you have to join groups about free gift cards. Okay, so let's see, these are a bunch of groups. Let's click on this. Okay, let's click on this, and as you go here, it's a free gift card, PayPal, Netflix, Spotify. So all these groups provide free gift card to the customers, okay, people who want. So you have to just write here, drop your email. In the comments, more comments will come. There are a bunch of posts where you can collect emails. So it is written here. So people dropped their emails. So as some person, they just made a post on Facebook group, get $100 PayPal gift card now. So people just put in their email in a comment section. So in order to do that, you have to just select all these emails, okay, and go to write down email extractor in Google. Go to email extractor and click on the second option. As you click on this, paste the content you copied from that, extract emails. We got 12 email. So 12 email from one post. So there are a bunch of posts on Facebook, and there are tons and tons of groups on Facebook. You can go out, you can search on comments. There are a bunch of people. There are several people who commented their emails in comment sections because they want something from these groups. They want free gift card. So as you extracted those emails, just copy those emails. Okay, just copy those emails, put in here, and now you can basically, I just copied 18 but you got 12. So write like this, copied this, copied this. So we got 12 emails, and we can promote our CPA offers, any offers, okay, through email marketing to these people. And you are not spamming these people, because these people already want these kind of promotions, so that's why they put their emails, okay. So you're not doing something, spamming or something. You are providing them with information. Be ethical, don't spam again and again. just promote once a week or twice a week or thrice a week. It's good enough. If they want to put an email, you will get $2.22. It's a very good deal. So you can do that. And this is what I want you to and this is a very good method, and many people are earning from this method. This is a very good method. You can do it, but guys, be ethical and don't spam again and again, because that's gonna block your email ID. And you can basically email from your journal ID. Okay, you don't need any email marketing software to do that. You can do with your email, with your Gmail account. Okay, so it's very cool. So if you like this video, if this video helped you in some way, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, the people who needed some money. Share with them. Comment down the topic that you want me to make video on. And good day. Thank you.